This is Michelle Valle here,
And this is Andrea Aguilar.
and we are here to guide you through this tutorial to learn a new platform that we have to use in order to integrate a lot of fun activities for our students. So let's begin. The first step that we have to follow is that we have to click here where we can see that says teacher login. So we have to click here. And we have to log in as a teacher. As you already know, we have different options in order to log in. So for me, it's easier to do it with our Google account. So let's click on it. And I'm gonna use this one right here. And in a simple and easy way, we are logging into our new account. So as you can see, we have a lot of options here. For example, my classes, we have the opportunity to create different areas to have our students in different sections. We have the opportunity also to find resources that different teachers have created before. So if we have something specific, we can check, for example, parts of the body. And as you can see, we are gonna have a lot of options, a lot of quizzes that different teachers have created. And just in case we want to use it, for example, this one right here that has 9 questions or 8 questions or 10 questions, we're gonna just click on it. And we have the option to see all the questions that the teacher had created before. And if we want to edit it, we can do it as well. So we're free to do it. We can edit questions to maybe we are not completely sure if this matches with the lessons that we already have. So we can do it as well. We can change the question. We can make some changes here. And when we finish, we just have to click here and close. And we can close quiz and save changes or just quick and this hard changes. So in this case, I will save the changes and it's ready. So as you can see, we have then my library and I can find this one right here and I'm gonna be able to use it with my students. Also, we are going to have different options right here, like creating quizzes with AI and different options that now Andreita is going to let us know how to work with this different tools. So let's go.
Thank you, Michelle, for explaining the main features of this amazing tool that is going to change the way teachers create quizzes for their students. And right now, I'm going to be talking about a special feature that is going to help us a lot. So this is the use of AI in the tool. So if you can see here on the right side, so you will find the option that says make a smart quiz with AI help. So I'm going to click there. And you have to enter the topic that you want to include in the quiz. So right now I'm going to use simple past. So let's type simple past. You have to decide if you're going to teach it in English or Spanish or any other topic. So in this case, I'm going to look for English language, and you have to choose the grade, right? So I'm going to choose 8th grade. So if you can see here on the right side, the tool is generating questions with the help of AI. So let's wait for the results. And as you can see here, you have a plus symbol next to each of the questions. So you can use it in order to add the questions to the left side, in which you're going to decide what are the questions that you want to include in your quiz. Okay, so you have the option to include all the questions if that's the way you want to make it. Or you want to do it, or if not, you can choose which questions you want to include. For example, I'm going to include this one. I'm going to include this question, this one. So imagine that the tool generated 10, so you can choose only 5 if you want to do it in that way. So that's the way how it works. Now, when you're ready, you have two options. You have the option of save preview, or you have the option of exporting and printing the quiz. So in this case, I want to show you how you can export the quiz that you created in this tool to another tool. For example, let's click here where it says export and print. So I can decide if I want to export it to Google Forms, to Quizzes, to Kahoot, or Blooket. In this case, I'm going to choose that I want to export it to Blooket. Let's click there. And the website is going to create a document, okay, in a format that is going to allow you to export it to Blooket. Now, let's go to Blooket, but first let me open the document in order to show you how it looks like. Okay, it is being opened. So this is the document that you are going to use in order to export it to Blooket. Now, let's go to Blooket. And here on the homepage, you are going to choose the option that says create. You need to enter a title. So we're going to, right here, simple past. You can add an image as the cover image of your quiz. Here you need to write a description. Let's write short quiz about simple past. Now, pay attention how you're going to export, okay, the document that we created. So here in the creation method, you need to choose the one that says CSV import. Okay, so now let's click create. And it is going to ask you to upload the document that we created on Quizalize. Let's choose and let's look for the document and let's click on it. And ready, okay? As you can see, in some seconds you exported all the questions, okay, that you created on Quizalize. And your Blooket or your quiz on Blooket is ready, okay? So that's the way you can use this amazing tool. So I hope that the features that we were explaining how to use Quizalize are helpful, and you can implement this tool in your teaching practices. So, Michelle, let's continue with you.
Thank you so much for helping us and guiding us through the process of creating new quizzes with this platform. Something that calls my attention is that as your students take the quiz, you can monitor their progress in real time, and that's super important because we have to provide feedback during the process. And yes, basically, that's all for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to consider making Quizalize as a regular tool for your teaching practices. Use it for warm-ups. You can use it for exit tickets as well on your classes, or even for group challenges as well. So that will help you a lot because this is a flexible tool that we can use to fit in a variety of topics in all the teaching needs. So thank you so much for your attention, and we hope you enjoy this video and help you to your teaching practices. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.